all win. Feel free to quit your job for our benefit. Speaking of money, financial matters a significant part of any relationship. Money issues still cited as the #1 reason relationships have trouble or fail.
So our financial expert, Andy Mattingly, joining us in the studio now. And you're not only being the money counselor here, you're being a relationship counselor. We appreciate it. My first question is, where do you start?
Well, you kind of start with finding out each other's money personality. And what that means is some people are risk takers, some are risk avoiders, some are spenders, some are savers. And so you need to understand that about each other so you can have good discussions.
Okay, so what would you say is the biggest reason why couples squabble over money?
It's usually about spending. And basically the way you can avoid this is having a safe to spend amount. Because some couples one person may say, anything over 100 I need to discuss, and the other person may say, unless I get over 1,000, I don't need to discuss it. And if you're not in conjunction there with what you should be doing, you're going to have a fight over that.
Okay, so if you are deciding now whether you're going to commingle those accounts or keep them separate, what's your recommendation?
Well, you know, I think it's whatever works for the couples, but my recommendation is to make it a joint account, simply because if one person makes more than the other, then that can put that person in power in the relationship, and you really don't want there to be one person with power in a relationship when it comes to money. And if you join everything together and make it 50-50, then it works a lot better.
Okay, so explain why developing a joint budget is such a nice thing.
Well, it can help you make a lot of long-term decisions, and some of the decisions you make may seem trivial, but they'll help you later on. So like you'll decide what kind of cars to get, how much vacation, when you want to retire, those types of things, so you won't squabble over those things.
So eventually the goal is financial bliss, right?
Yes.
We're all trying to get there. What's the most important tip you have?
I think the most important tip is to make sure that you compromise and remember that you're a team, and it's not about one or the other winning, it's about the team winning. So if you make a decision that's good for the team, then you both win. And I think that's where couples sometimes struggle, is they feel like they need to win sometimes.
Wow, nice.
I'm
Andy
just
Mattingly.
thinking in my head, like, so we'll compromise and we'll just do what I want to do, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You need more time with the love
compromise.
doctor, Andy Mattingly.
I know.
He's
Thanks,
got
Andy.
your